in this innovation thing, I want to thank and congratulate first of all the GPS Wire team. They did seriously one innovation that they have put all the industries all together on this platform at one location, right? First, I'll let you know about myself. My name is Gautam Kumar. I'm co-founder, director, and also CEO of Robotic Wears Private Limited, a 3 years back registered company based in Bhubaneswar. We have office in Bangalore, New Delhi. We were talking about right now some public distribution system. So like unfortunately I have the same case right now, and I would like to thank to the gentleman that he has raised the question that comes under innovation. Like you might have gone through the food scams. You know that is the mother of all the scams. Like every day, everywhere it's occurring, but nobody is going to take care, right? In the PDS thing. Now, government official says like even they are knowing more than 40% of the suppliers from the distribution system are still stolen, right? Then when the case is given to the investigation team, the CBI, they told like they have withdrawn the case because they need more than 50,000 officials to do the investigation. So what we can do using GPS technology in this PDS thing? When you're going to talk about public distribution system, then you can have to start from vehicle tracking, like GPS tracking. You can also make some geo fences over the go down thing. Then you will have the weight sensor that you can put there. If there is a biometric tracking should be there of the particular very specific distributor, dealer, or the vendor, where the complete material will go. Then there will another system for the delivery. So like using this system, we can save lot of scams. We can put the PDS on very proper channel. After that, we were talking about a lot of things. Since yesterday, already a lot of discussion occurred from so many persons from the industries. So I don't think anything left, but I want to go in depth of only couple of modules like accident tracking. If you will put those things in bikes, like the young generation, the bike accidents throughout the country or even the car accidents. So like if you will put some small sensor, motion sensor like accelerometer or some sort of things, and if we can make, the SMS alert system, even we are the hardware manufacturer as well as we are making the web part also of this complete solution. The name is FarEye. This is the product of Robotic Wears. Only thing we are outsourcing GPS and GSM from outside. Now, during the accident time, it can send SMS to the family members or nearest police station as per the registered number or configured number. Now, the best thing, like in so many European countries, you might have seen through some videos and all, the patient tracking, right? Even the elderly people, when they are going to walk in the morning or, like sir was telling after 60 years, they are going to forget their some names, and also they might forget also the path of their house. So like then you can catch the old age person where he is moving. And also very important, child tracking. Now in GPS shoes, like you can put in the player's leg, and that can improve our entire, even you can take the example of our cricket team. They are working in field or they are working in, some parks and malls and all. Like that will help from the complete whitewash and all. Now about Robotic Wears, I want to let you know. I have given you the brief. We are ISO certified, and in the robotics thing, like in automation thing, we are certified from RCSA. Then in embedded development, we are certified from Microchip. And we are also under Government of India through Department of Science and Technology. Personally, I got award in 2011, as sir has told, like from MIT as a social innovator of the year. And then by one magazine from MIT, it was the 75 a startup that you can bet on. Like we have offices at 4 different places, 3 in India, 1 in California. We have the list of the clients. That's all. Thanks a lot.